Our digestion is key to a healthy body, mind, and overall well-being. I've got a powerful recipe for you today to keep your digestion in check. Stay tuned. Hi, my name is Katrina. Welcome to the Organixx channel, where we are committed to bringing you healthy resources for you and your family. Because without our health, we have nothing. Today, we're going to be making an enzyme and probiotic-rich fruit salad. Let's begin by toasting the nuts. Now, this is an optional topping that's going to add in a wonderful sweet and spicy crunch. I am using 1/2 cup of mixed walnuts, almonds, and cashews, but you can use whatever nuts you prefer. And by adding in the nuts, it's going to add in some healthy fats and protein. And what I've noticed is that whenever I add in a little bit of protein to my dishes, it helps me stay fuller longer, and it's also going to reduce a little bit of that sugar from the fruits. Add your nuts into your skillet. 1/2 teaspoon of Ceylon cinnamon, which is a wonderful anti-inflammatory that helps support your immune system. And a pinch of cayenne pepper, which is going to boost your digestion, and of course add in a little bit of spice. Turn your skillet on medium heat and then toast your nuts for about 5 minutes. You'll know when they're done when they become really fragrant and smell amazing. And be sure that you stir frequently while you're doing it so that the nuts don't burn. When your nuts are finished toasting, turn off the heat and add in 1 tablespoon of organic maple syrup, being sure to stir right away so that you can coat the nuts evenly. Set your toasted nuts aside and let them cool. And now let's toast up some shredded coconut. In your skillet over medium-low heat, add in 1/4 cup of unsweetened shredded coconut. And you want to toast this up for about 5 minutes, stirring frequently. You'll know when it's done when the coconut turns a light brown color. Remove your toasted coconut from the heat and set it aside to cool. And now we are ready for our main ingredient, which is fresh fruit. So if you are watching your sugar intake, I would highly recommend using such fruits as blueberries, strawberries, or raspberries. Those are all really great choices. And we're looking to have about 5 to 6 cups of fresh fruit. Don't worry about if your measurements aren't exact because this recipe is super forgiving. So in your mixing bowl, I'm going to add in 2 cups of freshly chopped pineapple, which is really high in bromelain, which are digestive enzymes that are going to help break down the proteins in your food. 1 chopped up apple, which turned out to be about 1.5 cups. Now apples are also really supportive of a healthy digestion. 1 cup of fresh blueberries, which are high in fiber, vitamin C, and vitamin K. Last, I have 1 chopped up orange, which was about, again, 1 cup. And this is also high in vitamin C to help support your immune system. Gently mix up your fruits and then set them aside. And now we're ready to make up your yogurt dressing. You want to take 16 ounces of sweetened or unsweetened yogurt of your favorite flavor, favorite kind. It's totally and completely up to you. I am using a yogurt made out of coconut and cashews, and it's unsweetened. And yogurt is so good for your digestion because it is bursting with healthy probiotics. Okay, and now to the yogurt. I'm going to be adding in 1 capsule of our brand new digestive enzyme, P3E. I don't know if you've heard of it yet or not, but it's super exciting because it consists of proteolytic and digestive enzymes that basically help your body break down the proteins in the food so that they're small enough that your body can absorb all of the wonderful nutrients. Super exciting. If you haven't tried it yet, please go check it out. You can take this with food or in between meals, just helping support your digestion. I'm also going to add the zest of my chopped up orange that I put in the fruit salad, just to give it a yummy orangey flavor. And it'll be really pretty too, a wonderful orange color. Taking your whisk, go ahead and whisk that in really well. And this is going to be our dressing. Okay, now we're ready to assemble this lovely fruit salad. So you don't have to use all of this dressing if you don't want to. Just put in as much as you desire. Start with about half to begin with. I'm going to stir that in. And then you can get really creative with what kind of toppings you want to add. Some ideas are granola, raisins, cranberries, sunflower seeds, pumpkin seeds. Really, you think of it, you can add it. So I'm going to add in our toasted nuts that I went ahead and chopped up a little bit just to make them a little bit easier to eat. A little bit of salty, spicy sweetness. And then my toasted coconut, yum. So good. And I'm going to mix all of this up together really well. And now for the best part. Let's give this salad a try. I absolutely love those toasted nuts in there because it adds this wonderful spice that complements the sweetness that's already there. Now there's two things that I really like about this fruit salad that kind of turns it from being ordinary to extraordinary. The first thing is the toasted shredded coconut adds a wonderful flavor. And the second thing is that orange zest that we added to the yogurt dressing. Oh my goodness, it's so good. And then if I were to add a third, of course, it's the toasted nuts to add a little bit of spicy to the sweetness. This is amazing. This is delicious and it's so healthy for you. Absolutely give this one a try and then let me know what you think of it. I am here each week with a new recipe, so be sure to subscribe to our channel so that you stay inspired in the kitchen. And if this recipe looked delicious, give it a try and let me know how it turned out for you in the comment section below.